In this video, we're going to use the GRID ball to address the TFL. The GRID ball is a little bit softer than our MB5, so it's a great alternative if you're just getting started with foam rolling or if you're sore after a long workout. First of all, to find the TFL, I want you to take your hand and place it right here around where a pocket would be, if you have a pocket. After you do that, you can add some rotation into the leg, and you can feel that muscle pop up into your hand. That's right where the GRID ball is going to go. Now I'm going to get into a side lying position. I'm going to position the GRID ball right there on the TFL. The first thing we'll do is search the area to try to identify tenderness. There's not a whole lot of rolling up and down with this, but what we can do is roll side to side to see if we find a tender spot or an area that's more tender than the surrounding areas. Once you find that, you're just going to stop and hold pressure into it, giving it 20 to 30 seconds to relax and reduce that tenderness. After that, we're going to go through 4 rolling motions. The rolling is going to help encourage some blood flow and fluid flow through the area. Then we're going to do a rotation of the hip to we're essentially pinning down some muscles, and then we're rotating that hip underneath it. So from here, my rolling motion, it won't be a big rolling motion. It's more of like a shifting motion. We're going to go through this 4 times. And you'll notice that the density of the GRID ball is perfect for this, so I'm not putting too much pressure on any of the hip bones that are around there. After the 4th time, I'm now going to go through a rotation. To do this, I'm going to bend that bottom leg to where my knee is bent, and then I'm just going to do a little rotating here, letting the leg fall out towards the floor, and then I'm picking it back up. And I'm going to go through that 4 times. Now, if you'd like, you can go through that whole process again to get 2 total passes through there. That's how we would use the GRID ball on the TFL. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. And if you have any additional questions, you can check us out at tptherapy.com.